loves, welcome back to this channel. If you're new here, thank you so much for dropping by. If you are in OG, I see you. So in previous videos we did a curtain, but what's a curtain without shears? What's a curtain without shears? So in today's video I'm going to do shears. I've already stitched this shear. I've already hemmed like the three sides. If you don't know how I do the hems, just check the previous video. So in this video we're going to add tape to a shear. I'm going to show you how to do to add a tape on this shear, and also create a pocket, a rod pocket, yeah, because I want my shears to have a pocket. The reason as to why I have this tape is because this is the simplest way to put your shears on the wall, on your window, in two different ways. This tape helps you to use hooks, and it also helps to create a pocket for your rod, yeah. So if you have rods and you want to put your rod through a pocket, you can use this tape. If you don't want to use the pocket method and you want to do hooks, this tape will help you. So what you're going to do, we're just going to attach our tape on the at the top of the shear where you want it to be. So we're just going to stitch straight one stitch. If you want to do if you want your shear to be just straight, you do one stitch. If you want it to have gathers at the top, you're just going to do two stitches. So that what I mean by two stitches is that you're going to stitch straight, and then you're going to stitch another come back, stitch down at the bottom 0.5 to make gathers. But as you can see, I've already stitched all through, and now we have a pocket. You see, I stitched the top and the bottom of the tape, and now we have a pocket. And you also have these hooks, these threads where you can hook it. So guys, this is the simplest way to make to add tape to your shear, or to make a shear with a pocket rod, with a rod, yeah, with a pocket for your rod. So guys, thank you so much. If you don't have the tape, you just fold it like that, and then you create a pocket. You see, you just fold it and then stitch at the bottom, and you have a pocket for your rod. That's the simplest way to do shears. So guys, thank you so much. Till next time, bye bye.